Hi guys,
I'm done.
I'm done take a shower and I'm gonna put lotion and this one. Wait, this one.
Oh, okay.
Parang shampoo naman po. My mom helped me because I'm taking bath up there. Mama,